Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a typing text animation in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to add dynamic, eye-catching text to your website that types itself out letter by letter, instantly grabbing your visitors' attention. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and reached your Squarespace homepage, you'll see an overview of your sites. From here, simply click on the website where you want to create the typing text animation. This will take you into the main editing dashboard for that specific site. Now that you're in, look to the left side of your screen and click on Website. Directly underneath that option, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages to view all the different sections and pages that make up your site. This is where you'll be able to locate the exact page you want to enhance with the typing animation. Next, scroll through your pages and locate the specific page where you want to add the text animation. Once you've found it, click Edit to open up the page editor. This brings you into the live editing mode where you can modify content and add new elements within the page editor. Click Add Block to open up the block menu. From the options that appear, click Code. This inserts a custom code block onto your page, which is essential because the typing animation requires some custom HTML to function properly. Now click on the code block you just added. A text box will appear where you can input your code. Here, you'll need to copy the HTML code that creates the typing effect. I've provided the code on screen, so feel free to pause the video now and copy it exactly as shown. This code contains the structure and class name that will work with the CSS we'll add in just a moment. After you've pasted the code into the text box, click Save to lock in your changes. Then click Exit to leave the page editor and return to your main website dashboard. On the left side again, click Custom CSS. This is where you'll add the styling that makes the typing animation actually work. Now click Custom CSS to open the CSS editor. In this editor, I've pasted the custom CSS code on screen, and you can pause the video again to copy it. Notice that typeIt is the class of the div we entered earlier, so this CSS is specifically targeting that element to create the animation effect. Once you've pasted the CSS code, click Save to apply the styling to your site. And that's it. You've successfully created a typing text animation in Squarespace that will play automatically when visitors land on your page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.